Tammy Slayton has done the unthinkable. The reality television world was rocked when the 1000 LB Sisters star stepped out in a skin-tight spandex outfit, flaunting a jaw-dropping transformation that left fans speechless. After years of struggle, emotional ups and downs, hospital visits, and countless tears shed in front of TLC's cameras, Tammy has finally emerged as a new woman, both inside and out. But it wasn't just the massive weight loss that stunned the world, it was the confidence, the sass, and the unapologetic boldness she brought when she posted a now viral picture showing off her new curves in tiny spandex. Fans had to do a double take. Was this really the same woman who once struggled to walk from her couch to her kitchen? The same woman who faced public scrutiny and endless criticism for her choices in health battles. Tammy Slayton has done what many believed was impossible, and the proof is now all over social media. She's not hiding behind filters, angles, or shadows anymore. She's out in full view, glowing with pride, reshaping the narrative of her life, and letting the world know she's not only alive, she's thriving. The journey wasn't easy. Tammy's 500-pound weight loss didn't happen overnight. It was a harrowing climb through mental exhaustion, physical pain, family tension, and near-death experiences. Longtime viewer of 1000 LB Sisters will remember the darker moments when Tammy was confined to her bed, depending on oxygen tubes to breathe and struggling with mobility. Doctors feared the worst, fans sent prayers, and her family constantly expressed concern about her deteriorating condition. But amid the chaos, something changed. Tammy hit her rock bottom, and instead of giving in, she fought back. She enrolled in a rehabilitation center, committed to weight loss surgery, and underwent a grueling recovery that tested every fiber of her being. And now, that hard work has paid off, visibly, emotionally, and spiritually. The now iconic spandex picture that has taken over the internet is more than just a fashion statement. It's a declaration. The outfit, hugging her dramatically slimmer frame, radiates a sense of strength and fearlessness. The tiny spandex ensemble, which she confidently wore during a recent outing, reveals her toned legs, slimmer waist, and a glow on her face that screams victory. Her smile is no longer just about survival, it's about thriving in a body she worked relentlessly to reclaim. Tammy paired the spandex with stylish sneakers and a cropped hoodie, finishing the look with a high ponytail and glossy lips. Fans flooded the comments section with messages of admiration, shock, and support. Some even claimed they had to scroll back up just to make sure it was her. Others called her a true inspiration, praising her resilience and commitment to turning her life around. Tammy's social media presence has undergone a massive shift as well. Gone are the defensive rants and teary-eyed apologies. In their place, Tammy now posts uplifting updates, fun selfies, motivational messages, and quirky videos that highlight her vibrant personality. The contrast between then and now is astounding. Her followers, which have more than doubled in recent months, are showing up not out of curiosity or pity, but out of sheer admiration. Many who faced their own weight struggles have come forward, sharing that Tammy's transformation has ignited a new sense of hope within them. She's no longer just a reality star, she's a symbol of what can happen when you fight for your life. Tammy's family, including her sister Amy, has also reacted publicly to her dramatic weight loss. Although the two have had their fair share of ups and downs, rivalries, screaming matches, and emotional breakdowns, Amy couldn't hide her happiness when she saw Tammy's viral picture. In a recent interview, Amy shared, "That's the sister I always knew was in there. I'm proud of her, we all are." Their mother, once skeptical of Tammy's ability to stick with any weight loss plan, reportedly broke down in tears upon seeing her daughter's transformation. Even Drive, Eric Smith, Tammy's surgeon, praised her progress, emphasizing that her results were among the most drastic he's ever seen in his career. He called Tammy a true fighter, noting that she defied the odds with an iron will that most patients struggle to maintain. Of course, not everything has been picture perfect. Tammy's transformation brought its own set of challenges. Mentally, she's had to navigate new levels of public attention, some of it supportive, and some not. She's also adjusting to a life where the world no longer treats her as the big girl from TV, but instead as a survivor and influencer. In a recent TikTok live session, Tammy admitted that sometimes she feels overwhelmed by the praise. I never thought people would call me beautiful, she said through tears. I still don't know how to take it sometimes. I'm just learning to love myself. For real this time. Tammy's confidence boost has also spilled over into her love life. Since her transformation, she has been spotted with a mystery man, fueling dating rumors. Though she's kept things relatively private, fans speculate that she's exploring relationships again, this time on her terms. Gone are the toxic entanglements and cloud chases of the past. Sources close to her say she's focused on finding someone who respects her journey and supports her continued growth. Whether or not she's ready to make her new romance public remains unclear, but one thing is certain, Tammy is finally choosing herself first. Another major aspect of Tammy's evolution is her relationship with food and her health. After years of binge eating, poor nutrition, and doctor warnings, Tammy now proudly shares her balanced meals, fitness routines, and healthy habits with fans. She's working out regularly, consulting with therapists, and attending support groups. Her transformation wasn't just about slimming down, it was about rewiring her entire lifestyle. Her weight loss has even allowed her to participate in activities she once only dreamed of, like swimming, hiking, and dancing. She recently shared a video of herself attempting yoga, laughing as she lost balance but cheering herself on. That video alone garnered millions of views, because it wasn't about perfection, it was about progress. Tammy's glow-up also brings into question the future of 1000 LB Sisters. With such a dramatic transformation, fans wonder if the show will continue to focus on her, or shift its spotlight elsewhere. While TLC hasn't confirmed anything officially, industry insiders say producers are considering ending the show or even creating a spin-off solely dedicated to Tammy's post-weight loss journey. After all, she's now the breakout star, the underdog who beat the odds. Audiences are glued to her story, not just for the drama, but for the raw authenticity and inspiration she offers. Tammy herself has hinted at possible new TV projects, teasing followers with cryptic posts and behind-the-scenes photos. In the midst of all this attention, Tammy remains grounded. She credits her fans, her therapists, her family, and most importantly, herself. At the end of the day, she said in a recent vlog, "No one could do this for me but me. I had to want it bad enough. And I did." Her message to others struggling with obesity or personal battles is clear: don't give up. She's living proof that even the deepest ruts can become launch pads if you're willing to climb out. The viral spandex picture may have been the spark, but Tammy's fire has been burning for a while now. Her story is no longer about weight loss, it's about freedom, redemption, and self-love. And while she may have shed 500 pounds, what she's gained is immeasurable: confidence, health, joy, and a second chance at life. As the world watches in awe, Tammy Slayton walks boldly into her future, one stylish, spandex-clad step at a time. In a digital world flooded with superficiality and temporary transformations, Tammy Slayton's journey stands as a powerful, gritty, and awe-inspiring testament to human willpower. She didn't just lose weight, she reclaimed her identity, redefined her self-worth, and proved that no matter how far gone things may seem, it's never too late to change your story. One picture in tiny spandex may have shocked the world, but it's the woman inside it who's truly unforgettable. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.